who have threatened to kick us off the site, admitted digging the backhoe area over there beyond Jason that was towards the lake from the 3-foot diameter hole with the pipe. And they said that they were going to go down the hill and call the rangers and have them come up here and kick us off the site. And also advising us that once they come up here with their drilling rig, which they're planning on bringing in this evening, that we wouldn't be allowed to be within 300 feet of their drill hole. So anyway, I want to bring Nick Fleming in now. He and Doug are running the machine. It's called Polestar 2. Nick is going to tell you all about it and show how it works, and then we'll do a demonstration over site number 2. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, well basically this sends a pulse signal down about 250 feet, and then when it hits something it comes back up, and it registers on a meter over here. And with green lights or red lights, the green light will register as ferrous, the red light will register as non-ferrous. If it shows up green, it's iron or lead or whatever. If it shows up red, then it's gold or silver. And that's the only two types it will do. And it will peg a meter over here. It goes from 0 to 10. And the stronger the signal, the more it is. Now, with ferrous, it'll be a low-pitched signal. With non-ferrous, it'll be a high-pitched signal. Now, I'm going to turn this thing on. You hear the clicking. That shows that the machine is on. Okay, I'm setting the clicks to it. Now, as we walk across, it will either send off a signal, and one of these two lights will come on.
Okay. I'm going to first show the area where you're going to be walking, which is out here, and you can tell it's the area of site number 2, which we had previously staked off and now removed the stakes so that Sanders Brothers and other people wouldn't be viewing the sites that we had staked out. But they're going to go ahead and approach the site, and I'm going to keep an eye on the meter. Now when it indicates, Nick will explain what it's indicating, and then I'll rephotograph where we are.
Okay, I have this on level 4 right now, which is the deepest level, and also it gets away from any junk that may be down there. So if we walk across, go ahead.
Which way you want to go?
Go straight. Look and check. That's ferrous. Keep going. That shows being ferrous and over ferrous. Okay, right there. See how low the hum is? Go ahead, just showing. See, in actuality, the tank that's under this ground right now doesn't really show up as being ferrous or non-ferrous. So it's not really picking up the tank. It shows there's something real down deep that will be a ferrous but doesn't quite register. So we're going to walk back over it on level 1, which is the closest.
Let me come on over here.
You have to walk real.
Okay.
Okay, just keep walking straight, Doug. Should click on the red in a minute. That's the signal for, goes from a real low pitch to a real high pitch to covers the non-ferrous activity. That's what it does.
Okay, so you've passed over it and the needle's gone back down again.
Right, it's back on
Okay,
zero.
now I'm going to photograph the area.
Okay, we can go this way, the length of it.
Previously
Get
indicated,
on this side.
which is the edge of the previously indicated area with the Omnitron towards the lake. Okay. Now we're going to go the other direction.
Same thing. Watch, back it up.
Okay, you're going to back off and do it again. As we approach the area where the treasure's indicated underground.
Stay level with me, Doug. Okay. Ferrous. Get a second go with non-ferrous. Red light came on. That's non-ferrous.
Okay, as indicated by...
Are you on the deep level?
shallow level. See the difference?
Okay, so that passed over the area and the instrument has stopped with the high
It'll
pitched
pick up
tone.
again in a minute.
Now if we're leaving, see we're leaving site number 2, which is the middle site, and walking towards site number 3, which is over here, and it's a the Omnitron previously indicated that the site started over here near the dog pen. Just about where I'm standing right here. So Doug and Nick are coming.
Understand, the Omnitron picks everything up at a 45-degree angle. This is picking up what's directly under it, so we can get a truer size of what the actual thing is with this. Okay, because it goes straight down.
It seems to be indicating a slightly smaller area, doesn't it? Oh, there we go.
Non-ferrous.
Once again, a strong non-ferrous reading. As you passed over an area, still going.
There it is, see it? Just did it. That's ferrous, non-ferrous. Okay, back up.
Okay.
It'll get...
There, it's screaming.
Is that non-ferrous?
Yeah.
Okay. Screaming over on the non-ferrous side.
If this battery was charged, it'd be sitting on 10.
And that's right up here in this area that had previously been indicated on the Omnitron, which is between the dog pen and the base of this hill, which the Omnitron and we had staked out previously right in this area right here, which we had called site number 3.
See, it's still picking it up. Right here, right in this again.
At the non-ferrous again?
Yeah, it shuts off.
What about if we go over towards the pipe?
We can do that too, no problem. Okay, now. Right here.
Yeah. Let me see the needle.
It's very low in here, but it's right in here. Okay. That's non-ferrous. The light comes on and it goes off. Here, see? It's right in here too, see?
Yep. That's
The difference in the pitch.
What's going to happen when we get near this?
It's going to show up as non-ferrous. No, it doesn't. It's over there. This is picking up alongside the pipe.
and it's non-ferrous. Strong non-ferrous. This is where we were believing that the bar's inside the pipe. It's also probably indicating something outside of it, huh?
Now we're onto the plate. Now, I want to show you. Now watch what happens when it gets on the plate. Hold on. Photograph this. See it?
And what's that?
Strong.
That's our plate. The light will come on. The green light.
Okay, the green light over here, right on this side, indicates ferrous.
Represents that tank.
Right.
Okay, let's back it up.
Yeah, it is ferrous.
See it?
Yeah, you see the light came on the non-ferrous side. Sorry. On the ferrous side, right, because we're over the steel plate surrounding the pipe for the drilling.
We get a ferrous reading on this part.
Okay, it's only just a couple minutes